Welcome to another episode of Sunny Spaces. I'm your host, Brian Hawkins, and today we are in beautiful Paso Robles, California, which is known for the wineries and vineyards all over the place. If you are into having a wine setting and doing tours, this is where you want to be. Welcome to the Tuscany model here in Paso Robles, California, and Cava Robles. You guys, this model sleeps 6, so fold-out couch and bedrooms on both ends, but let's start right here in the kitchen. Full-size appliances for the fridge, microwave, 2-burner cooktop with a metal backsplash, and plenty of countertop space. Great kitchen for any type of rental, especially if you're gonna have 6 people in here. Let's move on to the first bedroom. Pocket doors coming in and out of the bedrooms for privacy, and you have a full queen-size bed. You have end tables on both sides, plenty of outlets for USB hookups. You have your own mini split in here as well over the bed for heating and air conditioning. And then you have storage place and hangers for clothes, suitcases, luggage. All right, so out here in the living room space, you have a full couch that folds out into a queen size bed. Great place for our 2 little kids that are 7 and 9 years old to share a bed. And then you have the TV up on the wall. They can watch Netflix or a movie all night, help them get to sleep as well. As you're headed down the hallway to the second main level bedroom, you're gonna pass a bathroom on the side with a really gorgeous backsplash in the shower itself, hooked up to utilities for water, power, and sewer. Now in the main level bedroom here, you're gonna have TV on the wall, place to hang your clothes, put your suitcase, your luggage, all that fun stuff. Nice queen size bed, vaulted ceilings throughout with your own mini split. And then you have end tables on both sides. Let's head out into the deck area and check out the view in beautiful Cava Robles in Paso Robles, California. In wine country, you guys, there are vineyards all over the place. Let's go take a look at the view from upstairs in this Tuscany model. As you come up the winding staircase, you guys, you're gonna enjoy this awesome view up top. Standing seam metal roof, and then you have obviously your chairs to just take in the view. You guys, this is a gorgeous place to just take it all in and enjoy this Tuscany model. Welcome to the 2-bedroom Chateau model here in Paso Robles. We are at Cava Robles in California. This model has a full-size kitchen and 2 bedrooms. We're gonna start right here where you have enough room and enough space for a week's worth of food, plenty of pots and pans, plenty of countertop space, full 2-basin sink, and real wood cabinets. I really love the dark look and feel, the ambiance this creates. It kind of gives that fine wine taste, right? Of something that's aged, it looks good. You have kind of a dark oaky feel to the ceiling with everything that you have in this house, along with the cabinets and the countertops. The colors blend well with the space outside of the home. And then we're gonna go into bedroom number 1. So this has a queen size bed, your own mini split for air conditioning and heating up on the wall. Side table as well for a place to charge your phone, put your knickknacks, whatever you need there. And then you have your own closet space, cabinet space, and TV. You have a TV in every room. Then let's go out here to the living room area. So out here in the living room space, you have your own TV, which you can hook up your own video games consoles to that. You can watch Netflix, Prime Video, whatever you want. Plenty of seating area for everybody. Workspace on these desks and tables that fold out, and a couch that folds out to sleep 2 more. This unit does sleep 6 total. As you're coming down the hall, you got plenty of natural light. You also have pass-through vents in each bedroom as it goes through for heating and air conditioning, for that air to transfer throughout the home. Even if you have the windows open and a breeze, you really want those vents going everywhere. You also have a full-size bathroom, stand-up shower, tile backsplash everywhere. So in the second bedroom, you'll notice you have your own ceiling fan, lighting, mini split again for air conditioning and heating. Vaulted ceiling, I really like the pitch. It's probably a 2 or a 312 pitch on that angle. Gives you plenty of headspace. You never feel cramped when you have that type of setup. You also have your own closet, entertainment center, if you will, TV to just kind of hang out, and dressers. This bedroom in particular also leads out to the covered deck. This covered deck is a beautiful place in Paso Robles to just take in the local scenery, have a nice glass of wine, check out the vineyard in the background. You guys, thank you so much for coming along on this tour here in Paso Robles at Sun Outdoors location. Follow us to the next spot and make sure to click that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the other locations.